Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. Hello, my friends. I am here with an Empties video. Okay, so let me get started. So I didn't save as much stuff as I usually do because I wanted to get this stuff out of my house as fast as possible. So let me start. I am missing something. Let me go and get it. Okay, I'm back. You know what's really silly, y'all? I just took the garbage out and I could have done the video earlier and took the stuff out at the same time. So let me start. I have Lifebuoy soap. I cannot find this everywhere. I can only find it at my local dollar store in my area. So this one, is this the pink one? I think this was the pink one, but they do have a white one too, and they always smell good. So if you see it in your area, pick some up. I have the Chloralin long-lasting fragrance to power a bleach. Okay, deodorizes, whitens, and deep cleans. So I think they had this at Dollar Tree, but I didn't get this from Dollar Tree. I got this from my local dollar store. And this is 32.12 fluid ounces. Okay, so this can be used for floor, bathrooms, and laundry, which is good. And this is a very strong bleach, and it's usually a little more expensive than the other bleaches, but I like this specifically to clean with, so that's why I get this. And I haven't been to Dollar Store in a while, even though I'm planning to go back. But yeah, I got this from my local dollar store. And it was about, let me see if they got a price on it. They don't even have a price on it. So it was more like maybe $1.50. I have my old reliable Scotch toilet tissue. You know, I had that in every haul. This here too is the Visa paper towel. I buy that often because it's good. And you get, how many is in here? 6 big rolls you get in here. You get 6 big rolls. I'm sure I got it on sale. Probably, let's see if the price is on it. But if the price is not on it, I probably got it for like maybe 3 something, maybe 4 at the most. I got the Roma laundry detergent. So y'all know what I use this for besides clothing. Sometimes, honestly, sometimes it doesn't clean as well as those other ones like Foca. What is the other one that I get? Oh man, Ariel. Sometimes it doesn't clean as well as that, but I just add a little bit of dish detergent in it, and it works well. And I also keep it in a container, you know, as a cleaner. This, I usually get it from my local dollar store. Walmart carries it. But y'all, would you believe that CVS.com carries it now? That and Foca, which is a blessing because I could only find those brands in area where my relatives live, and it's like a Spanish area. So So I could find it at that CVS and I couldn't find it nowhere else. And I'm so glad they're carrying it online and it's cheap, y'all. Like $1 or something online with shipping. So I tend to include that. I tend to include that in my shopping order. Again, from CVS, the CVS Health Antiseptic Mouthwash, Anti-Gingivitis, Anti-Plaque. Kills germs that cause plaque, gingivitis, and bad breath. Now, this is the 8.5 fluid ounces. I love this stuff, but I think they be running out of it a lot. The big one online, so I end up getting a small one, and I like the bigger sizes better. But this is pretty good. If you like Listerine, this is like the same thing, okay? And I think I paid maybe $2 something for that. Almost $3, something like that. Okay, I have the Pine Sol, 2 times concentrated formula. This is the original. Y'all know about this because it's been on the market for so long. And I usually get it when it's on sale. This is the 20 fluid ounces. I got some Crest. You know, this is always decent. When I got that from, oh yeah, I got that from CVS because here's another one and it was 2 in the pack. 2 for $5, I think it was. Here's something that I had a long time, even in the old apartment, and it lasted pretty good. This is the Softy Honey Lavender Repairing Shampoo. Healthy growth and enhancing. Paraben-free, 16.5 fluid ounces. I got this from Dollar Tree a while back, y'all, and I hope they still carry it. Oh, that lavender smell is so strong and so good. Oh, that's good. So when I make my trip to Dollar Tree, I will be looking for this. But if they don't have this, they'll have something else that's good at Dollar Tree. I am getting ready to return back to Dollar Tree, and I keep shopping at my local dollar store because I get the best buys. And I am on a budget. Really, I intend on buying my personal care items for a whole year. That's my intention. So I can get that out of the way. I did that before and it worked well for me. I have the Sensitive Extreme by Natural White compared to Sensodyne Fluoride Anti-Cavity Whitening Toothpaste. Helps relieve pain from cold, heat, acids, or sweets. 3.4 ounces. So I think I got this one from Dollar Tree, but my local Dollar Tree carries it too. But I believe I got this from Dollar Tree, $1.25. And it's really strong. It's for sensitive, keep your mouth from being sore or your teeth hurting. It's strong though. The taste is strong. It has a strong taste to it. I got the Pepsodent. Got this from my local dollar store. And it was $1.99. So I wonder how much they charge us at Dollar Tree, because the last time I went to Dollar Tree, I don't even think they even had this. But if I can get it for $1.25 instead of the $1.99, even though it's worth it, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and stock up. That way I don't have to be lugging a whole lot of stuff into this apartment. It's rough. Y'all, some of y'all know it. Since I live in a place without an elevator now. So. I have the Delon soap that's been around for a long time. They have it at Dollar Tree, but I didn't get this at Dollar Tree. I got it at my local dollar store. And I believe this was like between $1.59 and $1.99. You get 4. Is it 3 in the pack or 4? I think it's 3 in the pack. Yeah. So, I'm almost done. Y'all remember when I brought a lot of these? This was the very last one. Boy, I wish I could catch a sale like that. Because, this is made by you. Okay, and I was telling y'all about the product that I have here that's made by you. Antibacterial hand soap, blueberries kills germs and odors, 2 liters. This had went down all the way to 99 cents. I think it started at like $1.50, which is a good deal for this big thing here. But it ended up at 99 cents. And I think they just was trying to get rid of it. If they had it at 2 for $1, I would have went absolutely nuts in that store. I like that store, my local dollar store, because you can find things that you can't find other places sometimes. Okay. So now I have the Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength Instantly Cut Grease 20 fluid ounces. I love this stuff. It is more concentrated than the other ones, and this lasts me pretty good. I just put a little bit in there, and as needed for the real greasy dishes, I add a little bit more, and this lasts me really, really well. And this is, I got this from CVS. I don't know, it was $4.99, something like that. And you know, CVS has coupons every month. You can clip them online, or you can, get that long strip of paper. I don't like that. You get some good buys, but all that paper to carry around is. No, I wish it would change that. Okay, so I've got 2 more items. My old reliable drawstring tall kitchen bags from Walmart. These are good quality. I think I paid $6.99 for this. And again, you get 20 bags, and they're 13-gallon bags, and it has a citrus burst smell to neutralize the odors from the garbage. The odors from the garbage. This is good. Okay, so I was talking about that hand soap. So I did a review on this dish detergent. You see a little bit is left in here that I'm going to use up probably for the next 2 days. And I could only find this at my local dollar store. I don't know if Dollar Tree carries it. This stuff is excellent. This stuff is really good. And I paid, $1.79. It's very concentrated. You have a lot of bubbles. Some people say they don't like a lot of bubbles. I do. But this dishwashing liquid soap, double action formula to cut grease. Okay, and it says 5-in-1 shine agent, conditioner, degreaser, bleach alternative, rinse agent. Okay, and this is in the green apple. It smells cheap, but it works so well. So when I made that video, my sister went somewhere, so I don't know if it was a dollar store. I think it was a dollar store, she said. She found it. So now she can get it. But if you see this, take a chance and try it. You know, step out of your comfort zone sometimes to save money. Okay. So this was it for my empties. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be coming back soon with more videos. Y'all let me know about some videos you would like for me to make. I don't make real long videos. But I could make some 30 minutes. I might make one for an hour, but I'm not a person that's going to be making long videos all the time, okay? But give me some ideas of what you like, okay?